Hey guys, it's Chrissy. I am so sorry I have not made a YouTube video in a while, but after what happened early this morning, it got me to get up and make a new video. This video title is called Earthquake, and the subject we're talking about is earthquake. So, early this morning, around 3:40-ish a.m., I was sitting back, relaxing, watching one of my favorite TV shows, and all of a sudden the room shakes. And I'm like, what the heck? What was that? And literally, that moment, my PTSD went zoop. Then I went and asked Alexa, did we just have an earthquake? And she said, I quote, well, not quote, but listen to what she has to say.
Saturday morning, I'm Farah Jadron. We start with breaking news with an earthquake in King County this morning. Here's a look at where the U.S. Geological Survey says it happened about 4 hours ago, 3:45 this morning. It's registering at a 3.4 magnitude. That's not high in the scale, but enough that people reported feeling it. USGS is getting reports that it was felt in the Auburn and Black Diamond area, also Redmond, Federal Way, and as far away down to Olympia. There are reports coming in. This is the second earthquake to hit our area in less than 24 hours. A magnitude 4.8 earthquake hit near Squamish, British Columbia at about 1:30 yesterday afternoon. That's about 30 miles northwest of Vancouver. According to the USGS, people reported feeling the quake across Vancouver, BC area and as far south into Arlington, so into Snohomish County. No damage, thankfully, was reported. Now, we are hearing from a lot of you this morning. I felt it shake my bedroom at 3:45, awakened in Eatonville. We felt the earthquake on Camano Island. We had a few people telling us that their pets felt it. The cat flew off the bed in Bonnie Lake at 3:45. The house shook, sounded like a freight train going through. And a lot of people telling us they heard maybe wrenching noises, big impacts of wind in Puyallup, rumbles outside, shook the closet doors in my bedroom in Sumner. A lot of you sending us in your feels like reports. Keep sending those to us. 206-448-4545. Did you feel that earthquake this morning?
Yep, I told you. And it set off my PTSD. Even though it was tiny, it set it off. And I couldn't get to sleep until 8 a.m. 8 a.m. And guess what happened? When I fell asleep, I dreamt about one. Not a really big surprise now, is it? I don't want to feel this again. I don't want to feel this again. I literally do not want to feel this again. Because I have had enough. And I mean severely enough with life. I'm not going to go into the details. All I'm going to say is last year was hell and traumatizing. Well, I'm just going to be honest with you. I don't want to go through another tragedy like that. Even though it was tiny, even though it was tiny little teeny, it still bothered me. Because even though it was teeny tiny, that big one still caused a lot of damage years ago. Years ago! I didn't like it. Not one bit. And so tonight, when I'm watching my show, I better not hear that window, this window here, or this wall here, or this desk, or this television, go off and shake. I ain't gonna do it. No. Okay. As I was saying, I don't ever want to deal with it again. But yeah. This is a proud example of setting off my temper. Earthquakes, keep away from my room! I'm fine. I am fine. I am chill. Okay. But yeah, I just wanted to explain to you guys what I was feeling and why I'm feeling this way. So again, when I am trying to calm myself down for the night, this room better not shake! Thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys later.